In Queues tab, you can see a table of all queues. You can change the width of all columns by dragging the separators, except for the name column. You can only change the width by adjusting the size of the other columns. If you double-click on the separator, it will shrink column to the width of the longest value in this column. You can sort or filter anything in this tab. The queues appear in the order they are stored in the actions.json file. In the table you can see name, the name of the queue, pending count, shows how many actions are currently waiting or running, completed count, shows how many actions have finished running. These counters are cleared after Streamer.Bot is closed. Paused indicates whether this queue is currently in a pause state. Blocking indicates whether this queue is of the blocking type. The default queue is a built-in queue that cannot be deleted or renamed. If you right-click on the default queue, you will get the following context menu options. Add opens a dialog to add a new queue. You will need to give it a name and choose whether it should be blocking or not. In a blocking queue, the next action will only run after the previous one finishes. In a non-blocking queue, all actions will run immediately without waiting. Pause sets the queues to a pause state. All new actions in this queue will remain in the waiting state until the queue is paused. The menu item will change to resume when the queue is paused. Blocking toggles whether the queue is blocking type or not. Clear removes all actions in the waiting state from the queue. Actions in the running state will not be affected. Pause resume all queues. Pauses or resumes all queues at once. If you right-click on any other queue, you will get the same context menu with the following additional options. Edit opens the edit dialog where you can change the name and type of the queue. Delete deletes the queue. You can only delete a queue if no actions are connected to it. If there are any actions still connected, Streamer.Bot will show a warning and will not delete the queue. If you right-click on any empty space, you will see a menu with the following options. Add opens the same dialog to add a new queue. Pause resume all queues. Pauses or resumes all queues at once.